In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become QuickBooks Certified. Whether you're looking to advance your career or improve your business operations, earning a QuickBooks certification can be a valuable asset. Let's walk through the entire process, step by step, so you know exactly what to do. First things first, you'll want to choose the certification that fits you. QuickBooks offers certifications for different products like QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop. Your decision should be directed by where you see yourself in your career or what your business requirements are. Consider which version you'll be using or the one that's most relevant to your tasks. Both versions have their unique benefits and focus areas, so aligning your choice with your goals is crucial. Next step, create an Intuit account. This is your gateway to all QuickBooks learning resources and the certification exam itself. Head over to the Intuit training portal. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, it's easy to set one up. Having an account here not only gives you access to training material, but also keeps track of your certification progress and exam appointments. Now it's time to access QuickBooks training and study materials. Intuit provides an array of free resources designed to prepare you for the exam. You'll find courses, webinars, and tutorials that cover essential topics. These include setting up QuickBooks, managing accounts and transactions, handling payroll and taxes, generating and reconciling reports, and even advanced features specific to the version of certification you chose. Immersing yourself in these resources will build your foundational knowledge and get you comfortable with QuickBooks' features. Once you have a solid understanding, practice using QuickBooks. This practical experience is invaluable. You can take a test drive with QuickBooks Online Accountant or try out the QuickBooks Desktop trial version. Use these platforms to apply what you've learned in a real-world setting by working on sample company files. This hands-on practice will help consolidate your learning and ensure you're ready for anything the exam might throw at you. Feeling prepared? The time has come to register and take the certification exam. You'll do this through the Intuit portal when you feel confident. The exam is typically online and timed, testing your knowledge of various QuickBooks features and fundamental accounting principles. Good preparation means you're well equipped to tackle this challenge. After you've taken the exam, the next step is to pass and get certified. Achieve the required passing score, and you'll be rewarded with the QuickBooks Certified User Certificate and Badge. This recognition can open doors for job opportunities or solidify your standing within your organization. Lastly, it's important to maintain your certification. Generally, certifications might need periodic renewal or annual upkeep. Stay informed and fresh by taking refresher courses and recertifying as needed. Keeping your certification current shows your commitment to staying knowledgeable about QuickBooks and enhances your credibility. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming QuickBooks certified. Best of luck on your certification journey.